All right, guys, welcome back to another video. I'm confused. Essential. What are you doing? So on February 15th, I released a video letting you know all these different colors. And Essential had a phone called Stellar Gray. They have a phone on their website called Stellar Gray, and it's supposed to release for $599. Just a few moments ago on Twitter, today is February 16th, Black Panther. Go see that. And they just released another color called Halo Gray for the US, and it's exclusively up for pre-order on Amazon right now for $449. What? Of course people are going to want to buy this one. It has Amazon Alexa built in, so this is an Amazon exclusive right here. It's still titanium and ceramic, but the crazy part is it's only it's $449. It's up for pre-order. They have it marked as $250 off. Now, you know, whatever, the price is $449. Now, I don't know if this color is going to go up in price, but the Stellar Gray is on the website, and Halo Gray is on Amazon. Now, are these the same phones? I don't know. Someone was talking to me on another video saying, hey, Jay, you know, the color of the gray one has a matte feel to it. And I was like, you know, I don't know. I don't know. But... oh, you know, as I read this, as I said that, I looked in the description on Amazon, and yes, the Stellar Gray and the Halo Gray are the same phones. Pretty much what they did was they changed the name to Halo Gray, and then they put Amazon Alexa on the one that's Essential phone that's being sold on Amazon. And it's called Halo Gray, but it says in the description with matte finish to both the titanium and the ceramic. That's pretty hot. So if price is your thing, and you want the Stellar Gray, it's called Halo Gray for Amazon with Alexa. So what do you guys think about that move from Essential? $449, that is just a boss move right there. So it's up for pre-order. It releases on the 21st. So pretty much you get the Stellar Gray. They just added on Amazon Alexa. So they've obviously copped a little deal with Amazon to sell the Essential phone with Amazon Alexa built in. This is fantastic. I mean, that's great. The Stellar Gray is now Halo Gray on Amazon. That's pretty crazy, but hey, it is what it is. What do you guys think? See you in the next video. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to share the video. Take care.